Transport for London is an integrated public transport company founded in 2000, consisting of the famous black cabs, red buses and London Underground. TFL is responsible for making London the most recognised public transport system in the world, attracting millions of tourists each year from all across the globe. Moving on to value propositions, we introduce four main components that the firm has to offer to its customers. The four components are price, delivery time, variety and quality. To explore value propositions in detail, we will look at the trade-offs that TFL makes. The most significant trade-off is price versus quality. London Underground offers a low journey price in comparison to their main competitors such as Uber, with the minimum price of a tube journey costing £2.80 and a minimum price of an Uber journey costing £5.15. TFL's lower price comes with a lower quality due to their inability to offer an all-round service in which Uber can. Factors include low tube reliability due to substantial delays with signalling errors, and low serviceability as the rails and trains take a significant amount of time to be repaired. Factors such as the lack of air conditioning and tube cleanliness lead to an overall hygiene problem, including sweating and intense body odour, facilitating the spread of illnesses. Such problems represent the lack of aesthetic quality of the Underground. The second and most significant trade-off is between price and delivery time. The low journey price in a tube reflects in the journey time, whereby in general, a London Underground's journey takes a much longer delivery time than an Uber, which takes you from door to door. This is due to delays within stations and walking in and around stations. To demonstrate this problem, we have conducted an experiment comparing the whole journey time from Cass Business School to the British Museum between London Underground and Uber. This video can be seen now. Each value proposition has to be executed by a specific process, so now we will move on to process competencies. The first process competency is process cost. This is attained through a cost-effective system of payment, executed through Transport of London's Oyster card. With a prepaid Oyster card, customers cannot spend more than £8.30 per day. Additionally, financial statements of TFL have stated that the price per passenger for one journey is £1.74. Therefore, the overall contribution per customer is £1.06. Now on to process quality. The relatively low prices for London Underground means tube quality suffers, as tubes are mainly dirty, uncomfortable, with little room, especially in rush hour. Additionally, regarding the underground environment, it has been reported that air quality in the underground is 30 times worse than the air quality at road level. In terms of process flexibility, London Underground has relatively low flexibility as there is only one vehicle on offer, which is the tube. However, TFL could be seen as flexible, with their 11 lines and 270 stations on offer, making transport convenient for all customers. In regards to process flow time, if we look at the scenario from station to station, the tube has the fastest flow time, which could be as low as 3 minutes. However, flow time is much higher when the journey is from two random destinations. Operation strategy is the next important concept we shall explore. The operation strategy is explained with three factors: competencies, assets and processes. We shall first focus on competencies. Assuming one whole journey from a location to another exact location takes place, every competency remains the same except flow time. Due to the distance between stations, delays and various other factors, this scenario proves to be time-consuming, as it can be seen in the filmed video. Moving on to assets, it should be noted that the London Underground possesses strong financial assets resulting from credit and cash. Assets also include human capital, such as conductors and engineers, and physical underground stations, railway tracks, and ticket barriers and machines. Another important asset of TFL is their patented Oyster card system. An important process to mention is the shortening of delays. This is in the control of TFL themselves, so we can measure this process internally. Finally, the managing of IT and monitoring systems is a crucial internal and external measure that keeps the flow times in check. Another system that is crucial is the Applicon Engineering Services monitoring system that allows for easy traffic maintenance and monitoring.
Moving on to the process view of London Underground. The input is customers who haven't reached the desired destination, and the output is customers reaching the final destination. The resources are the following: customer service staff, conductor, payment system, machines, and equipment. The information structure in London Underground is a system which tracks the payment during entry and exit from the ticketing gates. The slide covers the IPO model, showing the transformed resources, which are customers at their initial station. Transforming resources includes all staffing levels, machines, and equipment. The processes involves customers walking towards the signs for the appropriate tube, staff advising the best route for customers if needed, tube being operated by the conductor, allowing customers to arrive at their desired station. Finally, the output are the following: customers at their final destination, processed payment, and friendly staff. We can observe the network of activities and buffers for London Underground on the diagram. There are three buffers, which are the following: queue to ticketing gates, escalator, and train waiting time inside the tube, and walking towards the exit.
With reference to the video comparison between Uber and TFL, we can conclude that TFL must improve flow times in order to locate itself on the optimal operations line.